Suar Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Phla University, Meghalaya.
Haka step jong ka khatsanterik naitung araja apun rio ki pulit kila kem yo we brio na kasnong roba balarai u chaka yeng dorba jong kasnong penden Southwest Khasi Hills District pada balapoy hangni ki pulit kila kem yo balara cha civil hospital mokorbat paling ba ka jingpai benya ya kasnam ba ki we pat kisabut dalam bau de budon kti ban Pynïap ya ka Hynmen na jong hadiem bala pentik kanaling ba ka jing examen na dong shadong la tokit benya yu bad ula Phla bau de mo u Pynïap ya ka Hynmen na jong ki pulit kin saya lami u chaka chaka bat ba un puni ba kumno lale ya ni kam.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.